Okay. So hey guys, today I'm going to be preparing rice, a quick one for tonight. So let's go ahead and cook. And this is our kitchen. Woo! First I have to do a little bit of cleaning right here, and this is our charcoal stove. Quiet, dark, because it's dark because of the smoke, but still if there is no fire you can hardly see it on camera. Things first, we have to take this water, and because this is not cemented or tiled, and do a little bit of this sparring water so the smoke won't be too, no, not the smoke, the dust, it shouldn't be too much. Who likes dust? Nobody. And this is our drum that we use to clean. And on a special note, us having this traditional kitchen does not deprive others of having modern kitchen, but in many African settings, this is a way to go, and we kinda, I would say, use it. So let me finish sweeping, guys. I will check on you when I'm cooking. So right now I'm boiling water, and that water is for tea, but you can see on the other extreme end that I have water, more fire, so I'm going to be using that fire to boil rice water. But before I do that, I have to measure water. If you're African, you know how the best way to cook rice. You have to measure the cup of rice, and that cup of rice goes with like 2 cups of water. That's how we do it in Africa. That's how we measure water. That's how we prepare the best rice. So guys, I already know the measurements of my rice that I'm supposed to cook, because it's going to be for supper. I don't have to cook much. And now I'm measuring water in this long cup. So since I know the measurements, I'm going to pour water measured, and after that, when it boils, I'm going to be adding rice, as you guys will see. Yeah, so that is 2, and because it's going to first boil, so 2 3/4, and that will be it. So I'm going to be putting it on fire. As our water boils from there, we are going to wash our rice. It's already salted. This is the best rice, already salted, so nothing much to do here. So since our kitchen has too much darkness, I had to bring everything here, and we're going to be doing rice and bean soup, bean stew. This is what we're going to be doing, white rice. So guys, the reason why we always change food from this saucepan with dark spots to this is because we can't go with this inside the house. Because we use firewood, it is always dark, as you can see. Even this one is dark, as you can see. So we have to put in this, which is stainless, and then we are going to serve from home. This is going to be our dinner or supper, depending on where you stay. And this is our bean soup and white rice. So every one of you is invited. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my evening routine. If you are checking this for the very first time, it is Lynette Lynn coming alive from Uganda, East Africa. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and road to 1,000. I would appreciate it if you do subscribe. And thank you everyone that has been subscribing. May God truly bless you in 2025, and may your desires and prayers come to fulfillment. I love you all. Bye. That's the moon.